So I think we should move again to the lesson. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
What is today's lesson?
Daily life.
Daily life.
Yes, daily life. We do a lot of activities in our daily life. Okay. We will
Yes, sir.
learn today how to talk about those activities in English. We do a lot of things in our daily life, don't we?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And we will learn today how to talk about those activities in English. Ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
I'm ready for it.
Okay. Now, will you please tell me what activities do you generally do in your daily life? You don't have to make the whole sentence. Now, I will tell you some activities that people generally do in their lives. Okay. See, there are two boxes here on the screen. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
And something is written there on the in the boxes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. These are the names of the activities that generally people do in their daily life.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna just tell you one by one each and every activity, and if you don't know, you should note them down in your notebook. Okay. Get up, उठना, go to bed, सोने जाना, leave home, घर से निकल जाना, प्रस्थान कर जाना, काम के लिए, स्कूल के लिए, कॉलेज के लिए, यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए, कुछ के लिए भी. गेट होम, घर वापस आना. हैव ब्रेकफास्ट, नाश्ता करना. हैव लंच, लंच करना. हैव डिनर, डिनर करना. स्टार्ट वर्क, काम शुरू करना. स्टार्ट क्लासेस, क्लासेस शुरू करना. फिनिश वर्क मतलब काम फिनिश करना, पूरा कर देना. फिनिश क्लासेस मतलब क्लास खत्म कर देना, पूरा कर देना. वर्क मतलब काम करना. स्टडी पढ़ाई करना. स्लीप सोना. लिव रहना. राइट.
Yes.
These are
Right.
the activities we do almost every day, don't we?
Yes.
Tell me yes or no.
Yeah, do every. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Do it.
Yes.
And in this box we will talk about some activities we generally don't do every day, but we do once a week, once a month, twice a month. These activities are also the part of our daily life, but we don't perform these activities every day necessarily. But the things written in the box 1, the activities written in the box 1 are the activities that we perform every day necessarily, don't we? Please keep
Yes.
responding.
Yes, sir.
We
Yes,
get up,
yes, sir. Yes,
we
sir.
get up every day, we go to bed every day, we leave home for work or for classes
Yes.
every day, we get home also from work or classes every day, we have breakfast every day, we have lunch every day, we have dinner every day, we start and finish our work every day, we start or finish our classes every day, we work every day, we study every day, we sleep every day. Okay.
Yes,
We
sir.
live at a place every
Yes,
day,
sir.
don't we?
Yes, sir.
So these are the activities that we perform every day. Now let's come to the box number 2nd. Some activities are written there in box number 2nd as well. And what are those activities? Go out, घूमने बाहर जाना. Stay in, घर ही पे रहना. Eat out, बाहर भोजन करने जाना. Go for a drink, लस्सी पीने या कोल्ड ड्रिंक पीने, या कुछ लोग जो अल्कोहलिक ड्रिंक पीते हैं, बियर पीने, वाइन पीने बाहर जाना. Go to the cinema, go to concerts. Go to concerts means किसी म्यूजिकल प्रोग्राम में जाना. Go shopping,
Yes, sir.
शॉपिंग करना. Phone friends or phone your family. Visit friends or visit your family. Have coffee with friends. Do sport. Watch TV. These are the activities we don't do these activities necessarily on daily basis. Do we? No. But these are the parts of our daily life, aren't these?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we will talk about these activities today, and we will learn how to talk about these activities in English. Getting me? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, I am
Yes, sir.
getting you.
Yes. And after the lesson is over, I will provide you the PDF and the audio materials also for the same lesson, so that you may have practice at home as well. Getting me?
Yes,
Yes.
I am getting
Very
you.
good, very good, very good. Listen to me. You people have very limited activities in your daily life. You don't go to the cinema, you don't go to concert,
No,
Yes, sir.
you
I go.
don't eat out, huh?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
You
I,
don't
I
Yes,
go
sir.
have
to.
coffee with friends, or you don't have coffee or tea with friends. That's why the means in your life the activities are very limited, right?
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. But we will talk about a lot of activities in our daily life. It is not necessary that everybody will do these activities, but generally people do. So let's move to the screen once again. Now we have come back to the screen. I'm just moving to the next slide here. Okay. So now, but before I move to the next slide, I would like to ask questions to all of you.
Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
And one
Okay,
by
sir.
one, everybody of you will give me answer. Every one of you will give me answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
What time do you get up?
6
5
o'clock.
o'clock.
Hmm. I get up at 5 o'clock. I get up at
I
5 o'clock. What time do you
I
get up?
get I
I
get
get
up
up
at
at 5.
5 o'clock.
Sanu, what time do you get up?
I get up 5:30
I get up at 5:30.
at 5:30.
Yes, let me explain it to you that when we talk about the time from a clock, see 5:30 is a clock time, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So we always use at before that. Yes, at plus clock time. We should follow this always.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And Gunjan, what time do you get up?
I get up at 6 o'clock.
Okay. And I get up at 5 or 4:30.
Okay, sir.
Every day, sir.
Almost every day. Sometimes I get up late. Sometimes I get up late. Do you also get up late sometimes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sunday.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. I generally get up
I
late on Sundays.
in Sunday. Yes, sir.
On Sundays.
On Sunday.
Sir, expo 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock,
हाँ
12
देखिए
o'clock.
फोकस यहाँ होना चाहिए जो चीजें हम स्क्रीन पे लिख रहे हैं द थिंग्स जस्ट आई
Yes,
गेट
sir.
अप लेट ऑन संडेज
Yes, sir.
साकेत व्हेन डू यू गेट अप लेट साकेत व्हेन डू यू गेट अप लेट
I do not generally. Sometimes, sir.
ओके
But I don't have. But I don't have remember when I.
you don't remember when you got up late last time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, tell me, what time do you get up, Saket, on Sundays? What
I
time?
get.
Uh,
I get up on Sunday at 5 o'clock.
you get up
5
at
o'clock.
5 o'clock on Sunday.
Yeah, we have 5. We have 5:25.
You,
It's almost 5.
what time do you get up, Sanu, on Sunday?
11 o'clock get up. At 11 o'clock, get up on Sunday.
Yeah, yeah.
I go to
At
bed
10
at
o'clock every
12
day.
One by
o'clock,
one,
sir.
one by one. Gunjan first. Gunjan first. What
I
time do you go to bed,
at 12.
Gunjan?
I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Delhi.
At 12 o'clock.
Delhi.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and what about Saturday night? When do you go to bed on Saturday nights?
Saturday nights. Generally, I'm watching a movie, web series.
When do you go to bed on Saturday night? Gunjan, when
Yes,
do
sir.
you go to bed on Saturday night? When do you go to bed on Saturday night?
I go to bed on Saturday night. I go to bed at 11 o'clock on Saturday night.
And Gunjan, you said you go to bed
Yes, sir.
at 12 o'clock on Saturday night. And
Yes.
when do you go to
Yes.
bed daily?
11 o'clock.
Okay. Sanu, when do you
Yes.
go to bed on Saturday night?
I go to bed 2 o'clock on Saturday night.
2 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
My great God. And Saket, when do you go to bed on Saturday night?
I go to bed at 10 o'clock on Saturday.
And daily?
And daily, every day I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Okay, every day you go to bed at 10 o'clock. So you don't
Yeah,
change.
yeah.
You don't change your time, right? On Saturday
Yeah,
night.
yeah, yeah. Yeah.
Okay. You know, I go to bed generally 1 o'clock
On Saturday, sir.
every day.
Every day.
Yes. And I get up at 4:30 or 5 o'clock.
So only 4 hours to sleeping.
Sometimes I have a nap. Have a nap मतलब झपकी ले लेना, सो जाना. I have a sleep in the afternoon also for 30 minutes or 1 hour.
Yeah.
Mhm. So, and what time do you have breakfast, Sanu?
9 o'clock.
I have breakfast at 9 o'clock.
I have breakfast at 9 o'clock. Yes.
And what time do you have breakfast, Saket?
Yeah, I have breakfast at 8 o'clock.
And what about you, Gunjan? What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 9:30.
9:30. Okay. And what generally do you have for breakfast? Naste mein for breakfast. What generally do you eat for breakfast?
I do. I take breakfast to upma, oats, poha.
I generally eat paratha and bhujia for breakfast. I generally eat paratha and bhujia for breakfast. And Saket, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat generally roti, sabji, chawal, dal.
For breakfast, chawal
Yeah.
dal. Chawal dal for breakfast.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, there is no breakfast for me.
Okay. It is one time meal in the daytime, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And what about you, Sanu? What time do you have breakfast? Or do you eat breakfast? Do you have breakfast? Do you eat breakfast equal? What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast change in routine basis.
Sorry.
I have breakfast in daily change.
So आप ऐसे बोलेंगे I have no fixed time for breakfast. I have no
Okay.
fixed time for breakfast. Okay?
Yes, sir. I have no fixed item
Fixed
for breakfast.
time. Fixed item, no. Fixed
Fixed time.
for breakfast. And what do you eat for breakfast? Sanu?
I have not fixed eat for breakfast.
I have no fixed menu for breakfast.
नहीं सर, कितने बजे खाना ये तो फिक्स है 9 o'clock. पिछली बार मैंने आपको बताया था.
To the point once again. So, what time do you have breakfast, Sonu? First of all, tell me finally, what time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast 9 o'clock 30.
You have breakfast at 9 o'clock generally.
Yes.
Stop moving and shaking, Sanu. Stop moving and shaking. Sit properly. Okay. And what do you have for breakfast, Sanu? What do you have for breakfast?
I have breakfast रोटी, छोला भटूरा, पूड़ी.
I have many items for breakfast.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I sometimes have
I have-
roti sabji for breakfast. I sometimes have chole bhature for breakfast. I sometimes have jalebi kachori for breakfast. I sometimes have
नहीं सर,
puri
वो नहीं
sabji.
मिलता यहाँ.
Okay, puri sabji for
जलेबी
breakfast.
कचौड़ी नहीं मिलता है सानू जी को.
खाते हैं
Yes,
तो
yeah, I
यहाँ पे
understand.
इसमें अच्छा मिलता था.
I understand. You are in South India at the moment. You are in Bangalore, and that's why you don't have
They-
jalebi kachori available there,
They
right,
are
in the
in
market.
they are in available idli dosa only.
Idli dosa, masala dosa.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So South Indian food you have generally for breakfast. It's really nice, amazing, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
I love
Yes, sir.
it. I love it. Okay,
I
guys.
hate it, sir.
When do you leave home for your class or for your office? It is a
9
question to
o'clock.
Saket.
Yeah,
Saket.
I leave room
Mhm.
every day at 9 o'clock.
Very good, Saket. Very well spoken. And Sanu, when do you leave home for your office?
I leave home every day 9:30.
At 9:30.
At 9:30.
And Gunjan, what about you? When do you leave home?
I leave home at 10 o'clock every day.
Okay, you leave home at 10 o'clock. And when do you get home, Gunjan?
7 o'clock.
7 in the evening.
Yes.
Yeah, Gunjan gets home at 7 in the evening. And Sanu, when do you get home?
I get home 6 o'clock in the evening.
Okay, at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Yes, sir.
And Saket, when do you get home?
I get home at 5 o'clock in the evening every day.
Okay, every day.
Yeah.
And what time do you have lunch, guys? What time do you have lunch?
I have
One.
lunch.
Gunjan, you say, please.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I have lunch around 1 o'clock. Yeah, sometime 2 o'clock.
Please hold your mic.
Depend on how
Hold your mic. Hold your mic. Hold your mic and repeat. Repeat, please.
I have lunch 1 o'clock. Yeah, sometime 2 o'clock. Depend on my work schedule.
Okay. You have lunch sometimes at 1 o'clock and sometimes at 2 o'clock.
2
It
o'clock.
depends. It depends on your work schedule. It depends
Okay, sir.
on your work schedule, right?
Depend. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It depends on my work schedule.
And what do you generally have for lunch, Gunjan?
Generally, I have lunch roti, greens, veggie, dal, and rice.
Okay. Generally, I have roti, sabji, veggies, dal, and rice for lunch.
Salad.
And
Yes,
salad
for
for
lunch.
lunch. For lunch. I have
lunch.
lunch these things. No, I have these things for lunch. I have roti, sabji,
Okay.
dal, salad, sabji, chawal for lunch. And Sanu, what do you have for lunch?
I have roti, sabji,
Mm-hmm.
dal,
Mm-hmm.
rice
Mm-hmm.
for lunch.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So you get rice in Bangalore?
Yes, sir. My mess in North Indian cook.
Mm-hmm. Saket, are you there?
Yes, sir, I am here.
Mm-hmm. What do you have for lunch, Rakesh? Saket, and when do you have lunch? First of all, tell me the time. When do you have lunch?
I have lunch 1:30 at 1:30 every day,
Mm-hmm.
and I have lunch for in. Can you ask other questions, sir?
Yeah, what do you have for lunch generally?
I have I have lunch roti, chawal, sabji, dal, and generally almost roti, sabji.
Okay. I have roti sabji for lunch. I have lunch roti sabji. It is wrong. I have roti sabji generally
Yeah,
for lunch.
for lunch.
Okay,
Yeah.
ऐसे बोलना है.
I have roti sabji for lunch.
Yes, that's the way. That's the way. You have roti sabji generally. Means you like roti more than chawal.
Yeah. Away in
I
the
like more roti than chawal.
You also like roti more, right, Gunjan?
Yes.
But I like chicken most. Neither roti nor chawal, only chicken. Bharpet chicken.
I also like
the-
chicken, sir, but it is not possible every day for me.
Yes, it is not possible every day for you to cook chicken, right?
Yes, sir.
It is not possible for me either. मेरे लिए भी
It is not
possible नहीं
possible
है.
for me either.
Daily. Yeah. Either means भी, मेरे लिए भी. It is not possible for me either. Every day. But you people are tremendous. You people are really tremendous. You're learning so fast. Touch wood. You're learning so fast. I'm really happy and impressed with your progress. All of you are very good. Very good.
Okay, thank you.
And what is the timing for your dinner? What time do you have dinner, Saket?
I have dinner at 9:15 every day.
Every day. Great year. Great year. And what do you have for dinner?
Same things. Roti.
Roti sabji.
No, sir. The chawal dal.
Chawal
every day.
dal for
Chawal
dinner.
dal.
Yes.
Yeah.
For dinner. I think Saket is the most disciplined and punctual person here because he has fixed time and fixed schedule for everything.
Yes.
Right?
Sir.
And he strictly follows. And Sanu, what about you? What time do you have dinner?
I have 9:30.
You have dinner at 9:30. At 9:30.
9:30.
And what do you have
Yes,
for
sir.
dinner generally?
Generally, roti sabji and
Okay.
chawal.
Roti sabji and chawal, both the things. Roti and chawal
Yes, sir.
both. Great.
Yes,
It is
sir.
called Marwadi Khana. And Gunjan, what time do you have dinner?
Yes, sir.
What time do you have dinner?
I have dinner at 9 o'clock.
At 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
And what do you have for dinner generally?
Generally, roti sabji for dinner.
Roti sabji.
Yes, sir.
Which sabji do you like most, Gunjan?
Green veggie.
Green veggies. So,
Yes, sir.
you like most green veggies, right?
Yes, sir.
I like all the vegetables.
Yes, sir. All green vegetables.
Yes. But if I'm given a choice, I would prefer chicken.
Sir, I prefer.
Prefer means ज़्यादा पसंद करना.
Yes, sir. Prefer person.
Okay, tell me, do you prepare dinner on your own? अपने से बनाते हैं. On your means अपने से. On your own means अपने से. On your own means अपने से. Saket, it's a question to you. Do you Saket? Do you prepare dinner on your own?
Yes, sir. I prepare
On my own. मैं खुद से बनाता हूँ.
on my own.
Okay,
Yeah.
and
Every
Sanu,
day.
every day.
Yeah.
And Sanu, do you prepare dinner on your own?
No, sir. I don't prepare my dinner.
No, who prepares for it? For you? Who prepares dinner
My cook.
for you?
My cook
Okay, your cook
prepares
comes.
for
Okay.
me.
Okay. And Gunjan, do you prepare
Yes,
dinner on
sir.
your own?
No, sir. My dinner is prepared by my cook, but sometimes I'm interested to cook, especially because I want to eat biryani and chicken. Then I cook.
Keep your mic closer to your mouth, Gunjan. Every time I'm asking you. She is a little bit bhulakkad, absent-minded. Okay, your cook means Gunjan says that her cook prepares dinner for her, right? But sometimes
Yes.
she herself prepares. She herself वो
When I
खुद
want. Yes.
पकाती हैं sometimes. When especially She prepares
When
biryani,
I
right?
want to eat a special dishes, then
Okay, then you prepare on your own,
yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what are the special dishes that you like, Gunjan?
Pasta,
Mm-hmm.
Italian dishes,
Mm-hmm.
Italian, Chinese,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and
Do you prepare also continental?
yes, sir, continental.
Great. Please invite me sometimes
Okay, sir, of course.
when you prepare some seafood.
Okay, sir.
Uh, and Sanu, you never cook, you never prepare dinner on your own.
No, sir. Only tea.
You prepare only tea on your own.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's really nice. Amazing, yaar. And when do you start your work or class? What time do you start your work or class, Saket? You don't work, Saket. I think you are a student only.
No, I have also work, but when I go to college, that time I don't have any work.
Uh-huh.
But when I leave the college, left
Uh-huh.
the college,
Uh-huh.
that time I go to work.
Okay. So when do you go to your college? First of all, tell me what is the time? What time do you go to?
I go to college at 9:30.
Mm-hmm.
Class start every day,
Okay. You go
not
to
on
college
Sunday.
at 9:30. At 9:30 the class
Yeah,
starts, right? And when do
yeah,
you go to
class
work?
start.
Okay. When do you go to work?
Uh, I go to work on to working time. It's 8 o'clock every day. Yeah, 2 o'clock. Yeah, in night.
Okay. You want to say working time is not fixed.
Yeah.
It
Because it's
depends.
change.
uh, it changes.
Yeah.
And Sanu, when do you go to work? You are an employee in any logistic company, Sanu?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When do
I
you go
go to
to?
work. I go to work 10 o'clock. At
At
10
10
o'clock.
o'clock. At 10 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And when do you finish work, Sanu?
I finished my work at 6 o'clock in the evening.
Very good, very good. And Gunjan, what about you? When do you go to your class and when do you go to your work? Because you do both the things. You attend your class also and you go to your office also, right?
Yes, sir. Actually, I don't go to class because my own brother and sister-in-law is chartered and company secretaries.
Mm-hmm.
So they are help me at night.
Okay, they help you complete your studies at
Yes, sir.
night, and
Yes, sir.
that's why you don't have to attend the class. So you directly go to work,
Yes, sir.
office. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What time do you go to
Yes.
work? What time do you go to work or office?
So generally, I don't have a fixed time because it is on business.
It depends on business.
Then
It
yes, it
depends on
depends. It's
the
depend on
clients.
business
Okay.
and the client's routine and schedule.
Okay. It is decided by the client. Okay. It depends
Yes, sir.
upon the
Decide by
client's
client.
availability. Okay. And when do you finish your work? It's also not fixed.
Generally, yes, sir, not fixed.
Okay.
Depend on how it,
How many hours do you sleep? This is a question to all the three. How many hours do you sleep?
6-7 hours every day. I go sleep every day 6-7 hours.
And Sanu?
Sleep every day 5 to 6 hours.
Okay, Sanu sleeps every day 5 to 6 hours, right?
Yes, sir.
And what about you, Gunjan?
I sleep 6 hours daily.
6 hours daily.
Yes, sir.
But I don't sleep more than 5 hours any day. I don't sleep more than 5 hours any day. See, means amazing you guys are. Really amazing. It was tremendous. How did you like today's class? Did you enjoy today's class? Tell me yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You learned some words, you learned some prepositions, you learned some structures as well, how to talk about your daily life. But we haven't talked about these activities in the second box that we generally don't do every day, but these activities are the part of our daily life. We will talk about it the next day. and we will talk about these activities, about your parents and brothers and sisters, friends. When does your brother get
Okay,
up?
sir.
When does your mother go to bed? Okay. When does your father leave home? When does he get home? These things we will do tomorrow. Okay, guys, tell me yes or no.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, let me yes. So I think this class is really going to be wonderful because all of you are working very well, performing very well. Thank you very